This 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24 terabytes is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24 terabytes is built on a Mercedes chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.